Okay, one question I keep getting is if I buy a solo ad on Udemy for business opportunity or internet marketing leads, why do I need to continue to segment? And that's a fair question because you think you're getting all your leads from people who are interested in making money online. And the fact is, those leads are probably truly people that are interested in making money online. The thing that you don't know is how interested they are and how they are interested in making money online. So, this is why segmentation is very important. You'll know if they're interested at all if they open an email. So, the first thing you need to do, you send out a series of emails and you're just trying to get someone to open an email. And what you want to do is in that series of emails have different topics for each email. And those topics could be one of them could be about Joe Smagola is making $20,000 a month with his WordPress blog. If they open that, read that, they're interested in blogging. Another one could be passive income is by far the best way to go. Well, that could be about making money with AdSense, and there's several different ways of doing that. Used to be you'd put up in the website and slap your AdSense code on, that was it. Now you can do it with YouTube, now you can do all sorts of different things to make money with AdSense, as long as you don't violate their terms of service. You could say Dave Baker's got an email list of 50,000 people and he's making $100,000 a year. And those are very different ways to go about making money online. One is about blogging, one is about AdSense, and one is about email marketing. You can do one about social media marketing. You do one about how I'm running my pay-per-click campaign on Google or on Facebook or on YouTube, and it's generating X amount of money for me. And to come up with these segmentation emails, we have pre-written scripts as part of Bulletproof Email Marketing. If you buy the Titanium templates, you'll see the scripts there. And really what it comes down to is it's the same content, it's just we're tweaking the name in the title, because what determines that that guy is interested in a specific area, product area, is that you got to mention what the product area is in the title. And if they open it, you go, okay, so this guy wants to learn about passive income. Well, there's several different ways to make passive income online, including investing in Bitcoin, which is what I wish people would do, is not promote it as Bitcoin this and Bitcoin that, but passive income methods, because that's what it really is if you're a miner. Including, building websites with AdSense, and including building blogs where you're just putting content on there and running ads on your blogs for affiliate marketing stuff. So all these different ways that you can do passive income kind of in that niche. Then you'll get the next guy goes, well, I just want it all done for me. So then you have maybe an email that comes out and says, like, fully automated system to handle everything for you. That's a business opportunity type email. So as they go through that sequence, A, B, C, D emails that are all preloaded in your autoresponder, if you're using Aweber will do it now using their campaigns, or you can use GetResponse in their automation, which is what I actually use. We'll segment it into lists that follow up with those leads based on what the original list member came from. So if you're buying from Udemy, you're getting kind of, they're interested in making money, but it's kind of like a kind of gray. It's not a white sheet of paper. It's kind of gray. And as you go through the sequence, you kind of start to add color and figure out what the guy's truly interested in, move them into the various content streams that you have that deal with the specific niches on how to make money online. There are many different ways to do it, including doing YouTube videos. And how you run a YouTube channel and build, and I don't have a huge following, but I probably will because I'm consistent. But there are guys that literally, like some of these cooking channels and some of these movie review channels that have millions of subscribers, and they do a video and they get 400,000 or 500,000 views, or even 100,000 views, and they're making money off of AdSense and also by being sponsors of specific products. I think it's cool what they're doing, and because I find their videos entertaining. They're much more engaging than I am. They're very good on the topics, and they're usually showing you how to cook or showing you how to do this or showing you how to do that. And by the way, to do this, you buy, Gary's Pickles down in the question box. So if you want to really use Udemy as a sole ad source to make money online, you're going to have to throw your net out and pull in those people who are interested in specific segments, subsets of the make money online niche. That's what segmentation is. The skill you really need to learn if you're serious about it. I have a link below on Bulletproof Email Marketing Solution. It teaches you how to use GetResponse. Now, one thing I want to tell you, these companies change all the time, but they continue to offer this functionality. They just put it at different spots in their menus and things. So if email marketing and using Udemy to make money with ClickBank, for example, is a course you want to delve into because you believe in it and you have the resources to do it, then I would take a look at that product because it really will help you find the diamonds in the rough.